Transform your brand's perception by mastering the art of professional, user-generated content video ads. First, let's talk scripting. Authenticity is key. So brainstorm genuine pain points your product solves or the relatable joy it brings. Think about a clear, concise message. What's the single most important thing you want viewers to take away? Storyboard your ad, even if it's a simple sketch, to visualize the flow and key shots. Aim for a conversational tone that feels natural, almost like a friend recommending something. Lighting is crucial for that. Professional Polish natural light is your best friend. Position your subject near a window. If you need more control, a simple ring light or a softbox can make a massive difference. Avoid harsh overhead lighting that creates unflattering shadows. Think soft, even illumination that highlights your subject and the product. Sound quality is often overlooked, but it's paramount. Use an external microphone, like a lavalier or a shotgun mic, to capture clear audio. Avoid recording in noisy environments or with your phone's built-in mic from a distance. A quiet space and good audio capture elevate your entire production. Now for editing, assemble your footage according to your script or storyboard. Focus on pacing. Keep it dynamic and engaging. Use smooth transitions and consider subtle color correction to make your visuals pop, while maintaining a natural feel. Add background music that complements the mood without overpowering the narration. Ensure your product is clearly visible and your call to action is impactful. By focusing on authentic storytelling, professional lighting, crisp audio, and polished editing, you can create UGC video ads that resonate with your audience and elevate your brand's perception.